Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with 4 winter Pinterest outfits video where I take my Pinterest board inspirations and replicate them using my own wardrobe. Before we do that, we need to get this face together. It's been quite the week over here, you guys. 4-day snow week. It's just been chaotic, okay? So let's go ahead and put this face together before we jump into the outfits. And big shout out to today's sponsor, which is TRESTIQUE. If you've never heard about them, I actually first heard about them on, when I was scrolling Revolve's like beauty section, they have it there. But they have a website where you can do like this online quiz situation. I'll kind of give you some example questions. So whether you're new to makeup, you're an expert with makeup, I still think you would absolutely love this kit. And like I said, it's been just a whirlwind and I'm just a busy mom. So I love the idea of this. Also great for travel. But basically, if you have never heard about them, they kind of do this really unique thing where all of their products come with two things on them. So you have the foundation. I'm gonna do my makeup with you, but then you have the little applicator as well. And these applicators are actually really good. You know, some like you get the kits and you're like, okay, well, but the applicators suck. No, these are really actually great. So I love a quick, easy, convenient product like everybody does, don't get me wrong, but I want it to actually perform. So that's something that I love about TRESTIQUE, and something that I feel like is just different about a lot of like on-the-go beauty products is it's fine that they're convenient, but I don't want convenience without performance. I need my products to actually stay. I'm a busy mom, of course, but I want stuff that's gonna last through the day. All right, so let's start with the foundation. Again, they have a quiz that can help you pick your color and all of that, which is really convenient and really easy. I have the foundation stick in Paradise Island Beige, so I'm gonna go ahead. They're also all refillable. So you can see on each one, you just pop this out and they will just send you a refill. This formula is incredibly buildable and creamy, so it blends out flawlessly. Cute is that too, by the way. Lip sponge that can just blend away. I'm also a really big fan that everything is kind of like a cream to powder. I hate when stuff like sticks to my face, so I don't like a lot of cream stick products if they're not gonna dry down a little bit, and I find that these do, to a very nice like natural white finish. Okay, after my base is on, I need to spot conceal. This is probably one of my favorite products from the line because I like the little tip and how it stays very precise, so you can kind of get into those spots. If you are a mom, you know. It's also a little mirror, how convenient. Honestly, this concealer blends out so well that I just really like to use my finger. All right, now that we've kind of created a good base, let's go in with their blush, which again, I am not normally a stick blush fan, but this like formula and how it dries down is incredible. I have the color Santa Marta Sunset, which is the most beautiful coral color. That it's just a very natural, quick and easy makeup look. It's kind of like no makeup. So I'm gonna go in with a little shadow stick. I love to kind of define my crease a little bit. I feel like you have a little bit of time to kind of blend before it sets down into place. I'm gonna go in with the little eyeliner. I always like to like line my top lash line. I like that the quiz kind of lets you pick eye color and all that. It kind of gives you direction if you feel like you need it. A little smudgy brush. Okay, when I saw the mascara, I was like, how could this be a double product? I expected it to be the one product that's just a single use. No, there's a lash curler. It's so cute, okay? This is a little bit small, but I like to just focus it on the ends where I really like the flip out to be anyways. Okay, and then last but not least, let's finish off with lips. So they have a primer on this end, which is kind of just like a balm. So I like to put this on the bottom. Super creamy, but it also makes sure that the lip glaze is gonna stay all day, which I love. And I have the color Malibu Mauve. I love a stick lip form. It's just like my favorite form. You can build this. You can wear it sheer or go in with a more bold hand. And this is a color I would never have picked for myself, but I'm thankful that the quiz did. And that's it. All of it goes right back in the case and you are good to go. You have a full face of makeup that's super easy, super convenient, but in my opinion, like truly performs, which is my favorite thing about it. So whether you're a busy mom, school, you're a travel girly, definitely try out TRESTIQUE. I will have all the details in the description box down below, and big shout out to them again for partnering with me on this portion of today's video. All right, now that my makeup is done, let's jump into the outfits. I literally don't want to get out of my Cozy Robin Beach Earn slippers, but this one's for you guys. Let's do it. Let's start with look number 1. Now, all of these outfits, well, 3 of the 4, have button-ups, which I think are really fun. I think that's kind of what I'm gonna try to do from here on out, like do specific item styling through Pinterest. I don't know. Nonetheless, one of them is that, but button-ups. But I don't have a lot of these exact pieces. We're gonna kind of like see if styling them a different way will give the same vibe. You'll see what I mean in a second, but let's go ahead and build this first look. The base is like a grayish wash denim and then a blue button up. So let's put on that. Okay, also all of these, or not all of these, okay, 3 of the 4 have heels too. Who is she? I forget I own these jeans. They're actually pretty good. These were like the original Abercrombie before. I feel like they just changed, but I'm staring at my Abercrombie package. Clearly they ordered too many Christmas packaging because it's still in Christmas, but I digress. Don't care, use what you got. But I did order a pair of like lower rise with the string. I'm so excited. So be on the lookout for that video soon. But let's put on our blue button up. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so here's my thought. I think this is gonna work, but I don't actually know. So I don't know if the shirt's quite big enough, which is kind of important. Do you see how she has just like 1 button? I'm gonna probably do 2, but I'm gonna kind of mimic her like pull. I've really been into like the fitted button-ups, but in a different way. Not like, I feel like button-ups, when I first started wearing button-ups, it was all about like the fitted taut, like sort of, how do I wanna say this? Like stretchy, not cotton. I feel like I would wear them when I was cocktail waitress in college, like that, like express, you know what I'm talking about, like stretchy fitted button up. Okay, now then they went to like the big oversized, you know, whatever, and now I feel like they're coming back with more structure but not super structured. Okay, but I'm kind of here for it. So nonetheless, she kind of has this, obviously nothing, my shirt looks nothing like hers, but I think we can make it work. So it kind of like pulls to one side. So we of course could just tuck it into one side like that. That's one option. And honestly, that might be the option I go for, but I could also stitch it if I wanted to. So I could do like a little stitch gun, but I've always kind of loved a more like, I don't know, fitted sort of look. So these are more of like night out kind of looks, not necessarily like daytime, but I guess this could be obviously a daytime. But it's just the one side, so I just simply tucked it. The other thing I could also do is, like I said, stitch gun it. If I was probably going out, I would probably stitch the back to the front, not like to the jean, but cute. Okay. And then she has some black heels on. Oh my gosh, is it like 12 degrees in this house? It's freezing. Okay, pointed toe sling backs. Let's pop them on and see. Oh, okay, these jeans look incredible with a heel. Okay, like I said, not exact, but kind of gives the same type of vibe, right? I feel like it does. I think it's really cool. And these jeans look great with this heel. What do we think, you guys? Different. I don't know, not the same, but I still really like it. And I would never really think to pair the blue with the gray, but I'm kind of here for it. I don't know, I think it's really cool and fun and unique. Definitely a different look than I would ever do, which is what I love about these and what I tell you every single time. I love how it gets me outside of my comfort zone and kind of pairs together things that I have that are similar to those, but just like in a different way that I would ever wear. Because I would never think to pair these gray jeans with this blue shirt, and I actually really like it. So yeah, similar, not the same, but I still think really cute, and I think we nailed it. So this was look number 1. Let's move on to look number 2. Okay, hear me out on this one. I'm pretty sure hers is like a suede brown button up, which I would gag over, which I feel like I need. But now we're headed into spring, so probably not gonna pick that up this year, but if I ever found one / it was on sale, I desperately need. I do have a brown one from, it's kind of like a denim brown one from Gap that I have actually yet to style, which is really bad of me. I am not somebody who does that, but anyway, I digress. I feel like I bought it because I really was like, I will wear that, but then I just haven't worn it. So next outfits video, I'm gonna style it. But I'm thinking my olive green button up from Quince will kind of get the vibe a little bit better. So we're gonna try. We're gonna try and see with the Quince, and then if not, I'll swap it out for the Gap one. It's in my other closet. So let's put on, she has more of like a fitted blue pair of jeans. So let's put on our Levi's and put on our green button up. Okay, also I forgot to say she's not wearing a bra, so we're gonna try that look and see how it looks. I'm not hopeful. I also feel like this shirt is a lot bigger than hers, so I don't know. I might have to black out some of this. I would have to wear fashion tape for sure, but I think she's wearing black heels, yes. Okay, so this is the deal. I have a couple of options for belts and such. She's wearing black heels. Like I said, I know the shirt is not the same, but I think it's gonna still work. Get deja vu. So, it's like unbuttoned like the whole way, and I just don't know if I'm like really all that comfortable with that, but we're gonna try. Shirt is getting tucked into below my butt. But I think this is my issue. I think I have too loose of a shirt. What in the world? I think this is gonna be a flop, and I think you'll be able to see my titties. Hold on, let's style it. Let's still trust. Okay. So she has her sleeves kind of cuffed. Like I said, I would definitely use fashion tape if I was leaving the house because, man alive. But I did think that this necklace from PD Paola would look so cute. I have the tiger's eye and then the little like pave stone thing on it. So here's my thing. I don't have a black belt that's like exactly like hers. I have more of like brown or more of a bedazzled belt. But hold on, I have this one, it might work. Thinking this could still work. This is just like a little thin belt. And then, wanna see the most genius thing that I did though? Hold on. Okay, are we seeing this? This is my Quince clutch. And then this is that little Anthropology pin. If you watch my recent outfits video, I'll throw it in the cards. From that shirt, I was like, nailed it. How much more elevated does this look? It's so fun. Okay, so obviously, definitely not the same. Definitely different for your girl. But I guess a cute, like, when it's not giving me Hunchback of Notre Dame, could be cute. I would need tape. Okay, fashion tape it up. But if you like it, so that was look number 2. Okay, let's move on to some more outfits that are like a little bit more in my a little more in my comfort zone, shall we? Let's move on to look number 3. I loved this. I just thought it was cute. Actually, let's put that for 4 because that's what I'm gonna wear for the rest of the day. Let's move on to look number 3 on navy. I can't wait to put a bra back on. Let's put on our navy silk pants and then our navy cardigan from Quince, and then we'll accessorize. Okay, so this is look number 3. So she's like a navy on navy situation. Oh, let me take off this necklace. Cannot take off necklaces to save my life. Okay, my favorite cardigan ever that's kind of covered in dog hair. So we're gonna ignore that, shall we? I really wish that I went true to size with these pants. Now, well, whatever. Okay, so I want this to look a little more elevated, so I'm actually gonna tuck the strings in. I don't know if hers are tucked or not, but I just like to do that if I'm going to kind of wear, like, it more elevated instead of like with casual with a t-shirt, if that makes sense. I just think it looks sleeker. You could always just fold over the band too, which is kind of nice. It makes it just look a little more like elevated than like a drawstring pant type of thing. Okay, I think she has it slightly tucked. I don't know. Either way, navy on navy. I do want the length though, so I'm kind of thinking, let's put it down like that. Now, she has like leopard, or not leopard, she has like a snakeskin printed sling back, which are so cute, but I don't own that. So I figured let's do our next best, which is a cheetah flat, or a cheetah sling back. And this is the look. And then she has a large cuff on. So this obviously super monochromatic. I love that. I realize I have no other jewelry on right now. That's fine. Super monochromatic with the navy on the navy, but then the pops with the silver and the leopard or cheetah or whatever the heck it's called. Really so cute. She's all like, I love this. I don't know her name, but I see her on Instagram and I love her outfits. I think they're so cute. And this is a really cute outfit. Okay, nailed it. Let's move on to the fourth and final look, the look I'm gonna stay in for the rest of the day. It's definitely much more casual. So let's put on, she has like kind of a loose cuffed jean. So the longest, loosest jean that I have are my super old ones from Target that I love. They're like the low rise 90 whatever. So let's pop those on really quick. I feel like this outfit spoke to me because I have not worn my little bedazzled shoes in a hot minute. So I was like, I need to pull those out. So let's pop these on. And I think these are like cute with a baggy jean. So you just add a little bit of a feminine touch to them. I did realize I've lost one of the gems. It's like where you really can't see. I mean, maybe you can. Oh no, I've lost them both in the exact same spot. How? Oh, well, not the exact same spot, but like down. I probably knocked them off with each other. They're just so fun. I love these. They're from Target. Okay. So just kind of a little cuff. Cute. Okay. Now she has, I believe, like a white long sleeve tee on. So let's do that really quick. I always tuck my base layer. I just feel like it provides me so much warmth and I'm always cold. So like, I love a good base layer tuck. Okay, and then she just has a navy little cotton sweater hanging out. Or hanging on top. Hanging out. Oh, over the top. This is cute. Okay, she also kind of has her hair up. I don't know if I'm gonna wear my hair up, but she has earrings like this, and I just grabbed myself a pair. And okay, let me rant on this for a second. I used to hate, or not hate, but didn't understand the little like plastic bits that would go on the back of my earring. Like I know you can pop them off, but honestly, I feel like they provide support to my earlobe. We aren't trying to have saggy ears as we age, so I kind of leave them on, especially if I'm wearing my hair down, but also like, I don't really care. Kind of gets clip-ins, but let's just do like a loose sort of twisty twoppy. Twisty twoppy. I don't know what her hair is doing. And then she has a pair of sunglasses, so hold on. They want to hang. Okay, and then like I said, she just has like a little white tee hanging at the bottom. So cute. Obviously, shoes, star of the show, love. Obviously, I'm in love with this outfit. Hence why I picked it at the end. I think it's so cute, comfortable, and practical. So she nails it. I think I nailed the rendition. What do you guys think? As always, I'd love to know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. Again, big shout out to TRESTIQUE for partnering with me on today's video. So if you want to check them out, take the quiz. I will have all the details in the description box down below. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.